Well, hello there. Do you want to learn how to paint on silk? This is TeenaHughes and I am going to show you just a little example of some of the silk painting that you can do. I'm going to start with some pink, add green, then I'm adding some turquoise dye, and you can see where the turquoise touches the pink, it goes purple. Woohoo! I love it when all these colours merge, and that's the joy of silk dye. I don't think about the design. This is just relaxing with dyes and painting simple patches of colour. This is just a little exercise to free your mind. Now I decide to go back and add some hot pink to create more purple. Yum! Gives me such joy to see all these colours turning into different shades when they touch the other colours. And these silk dyes are so vibrant. I'm done. So, when the silk dried, I used a Sharpie to go back and draw flower shapes on top of the silk dye. Now this is just a sample piece, as I said. It's not going to be used for clothing, so I couldn't use Sharpies if it was clothing. And here's a little close-up of what the flowers and the leaves and the petals look like. So just very, very simple. It doesn't have to be anything extraordinary. This is just me having a play and trying out some different ways of painting just to make it more enjoyable each day. I'm happy with the result. What about you? What do you think? If you'd like to find out more about silk painting, pop over to my website and sign up, and I look forward to seeing you there. That's howtopaintonsilkwithteenahughes.com. Ciao, ciao for now.